Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to find DApps on Trust Wallet. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open Trust Wallet on a device and log in. At the bottom of the screen, you can see there are 4 options: Wallet, Discover, DApps, and Settings. Here, tap DApps. This will open the DApp browser. So that's how you find DApps on Trust Wallet. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.